job in the steaming way down McCarthy Street. I fell in love with the laundry girl who was working next to me. Well, she was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine a breath of wind might blow her away. Well, she was a lost child, running wild. She said as long as there's no price on love I'd stay. She wouldn't want me any other way. There was animal in her eyes. She said, oh handsome man, I'm not the factory kind. If you don't take me out of here, I'll surely lose me mind. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine a breath of wind might blow her away. Well, she was a lost child, oh she was a running wild. She said as long as there's no price on love I'll stay. She wouldn't want me any other way. Wherever we went, I thought we should settle down and get a few acres dug, fire burning in the heart and babies on the rug. She said, oh foolish man, that surely sounds like hell. You may be lord of half the land, but you won't own me as well. Well, she was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine a breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, oh, she was running wild. And as long as there's no price on love I'd stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. I thought we should stay for harvest, she thought that we shouldn't. And we were drinking more in them days, and temper reached a pitch. Like an Egypt I'd let her run with the rambling itch. Last I heard she sleeping rough down in the Derby beat, whiskey in her pocket and a phone at her feet. I heard she even married once a man named Romany Brown. The gypsy's caravan was even too much settling down. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine a breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said as long as there's no price on love I'd stay. She wouldn't want me any other way. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing. I miss her more than words could ever say. And if I could hold her now in my arms today, I wouldn't want her any other way. No, I wouldn't want her any other way.